So, are we live? All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Hack3's closing ceremony. We're so glad to have you here. So, just want to present the numbers that we had this year. So, this year we were lucky to have 340 plus hackers, 35 plus projects, and these hackers were from 20 different countries, which is really cool. So, thank you all for participating. And then for a special shout out, we want to shout out the most engaged workshop participants. So Leonid Alexeyev and Eric Sun, sorry if I butchered your name. You both will win a $20 Starbucks gift card and congrats. So we'll be contacting you later with that information. For the awards, we had a first place winner, second place winner, third place winner, and then three theme winners, and the best beginner project and the best Echo AR application project. So the best Echo AR application will be decided by the Echo AR team, and they'll get back to you shortly. And yeah, so then we'll be finalizing the results in about 1 week's time, and we will email or mail your prizes shortly.
All right, so if you kind of saw that a bit earlier, sorry about that. But I'm so happy to announce our new technologies winners, the Project Anemoy. I probably butchered that name, but thank you so much and congratulations. That entire Hack3 team thought that your project was very interesting, given that you could use images to further make sure that COVID-19 detection was correct. So congratulations. Now we will go on to the education theme winner. And we are so excited to announce that the winner is EVLAV detection. And the purpose of this project is for educators to submit their students for assignments written by hand for plagiarism detection. Current plagiarism detection technologies are all basically searching up existing text, and this team added in another field that basically converted, using their own models, images into text to then search that for plagiarism. So we thought that that was very interesting. So congratulations on winning the education theme. Next, we have the post-pandemic recovery winner. We are super excited to announce that the winner is COVID-safe gatherings. Or actually, sorry about that. I was off. PK Sitter. That COVID-safe gatherings was another one of our finalists who came very close. But PK Sitter was the winner for this because it connects babysitters with other people. And we thought the technology was very solid. And the best beginner project was COVID-safe gatherings, which I just mentioned before. The group noted that their app helps facilitate the planning of meetings during the COVID-19 pandemic. And with the help of the app, users can see if or when it is safe to organize such meetings, given the coronavirus statistics of everyone involved. So we thought that this was a very interesting app, and the judges really liked it as well. I think we can just skip over this slide, although I'm not really too sure. Did you guys want to know anything? Yep. Okay. So it seems like Slingshot has not really sent a person yet, but they will contact you more on this info. But Slingshot is a startup that will be offering internship interviews to the top winners that we have this year. And this is what they say is valued at $5,000. So congratulations for all the winners. You have also received this prize. In addition, for the track winners that we just mentioned before, the track winners also win other prizes as well. So congratulations. Each track winner in each team gets an Arduino, or we will communicate with you later to communicate, and you can opt for cash prizes as well. All right, Amanda, do you want to go through these top few winners?
Sure. Okay, so it looks like our third place winner is Mira. Their project focused on taking skill learning to the next level with bite-sized snippets. So congratulations to you. If you go to the next slide, um, our second place winner is Luna. Luna is a program aimed at giving students and teachers during remote learning a better understanding of productivity on text editors while also addressing the underrepresented issue of adolescent burnout. This one was really cool to learn about, so kudos to you guys for doing a really good job on that. And next, our first place winner, drumroll, is Accelerate. Accelerate is an application that uses machine learning for nuclei detection in order to accelerate medical discovery, drug discovery, and cures for diseases. So, very nice job, guys, on those projects. We're super proud of you.
Now, just to go over the prizes for the first, second place, and third prize, um, each team gets a drone for the first place prize, or each person in a team gets a drone for the first place prize, $500 in KT Byte credits if you're interested in continuing learning about computer science through our sponsor KT Byte. In second place and third place, you all get $250 KT Byte credits. And for second place, you can get a Raspberry Pi kit. For third place, you can get an Arduino. So congratulations to you all. We'll be reaching out in the next week or so for the specific details. But in any of these cases, we offer some really cool prizes like Raspberry Pi kits or Arduinos, or you can just opt for cash prizes as well. Now, I want to note that we do have a 1 week grace period for internal processing for any prize, whether it's a Starbucks gift card that you won in the opening ceremony or any of these larger prizes at the end of the hackathon. And we will be reaching out to you individually through your emails provided in your submission links. And one other thing is that I want to stress that um, if people come in with overwhelming evidence that uh, your team, if you're a winner, has not participated fairly, we can and we will revoke your prizes, or we can switch out for another team where we don't really have evidence of that. At Hack3, we really want to make sure that everything is as fair as possible. We've taken a certain number of measures, but at the end, if other people provide evidence of that, then we will be forced to switch these winners. So there is basically a 1 week period for us to process everything, for us to go through everything again. And so please bear with us.
All right. So don't worry if you didn't win today, because um, thanks to Up Next, we will be having your picture hack challenge. Next slide. So Shani from Up Next has a video for y'all.
For those of you who might be a bit bummed about your project's outcome, it is not over yet, and it is what you do from here on out that counts. You have the chance to pitch your idea in a video format with the Pitch Your Hack program through Hack3 and Up Next Gen Z. Invite people to join the app to vote for your video and post it everywhere on social media to get the word out. You'll be pitching an idea of yours to teens just like you. So no slideshows, no boring business talk. Show us your true self, your true creativity. Tell me your story. Your story being the problem you intend to solve, seeing that actual people need it to be solved, how you're going to solve it, and what makes your solution better, faster, stronger, more unique than other people's. The winner with the best video and enough virtual votes being 50,000 votes, you will have a pain validation, getting an audience that's interested in using your product before it's already made. attention from potential investors and mentors from all around the world that work with us, who will obviously be interested because you have 50,000 people wanting to use your product, and a sponsored MVP made by UpNext. The top 10 videos with a minimum of 100 votes will not be leaving this contest empty-handed as well. Each of you will receive a subscription worth $300 to startups.com, a platform that any and every entrepreneur should use to optimize the product. So let's sum everything up. Create a video, the coolest video, telling me your story with the hashtag Hack3. Upload it to the UpNext app, invite all of your friends to join with a link so they can vote for your video, and post your video on social media with a link for them to enter the app and vote for you once again. I cannot wait to see everyone on our platform with your amazing ideas.
All right, you can go to the next slide. So just to sum up, sign up today by downloading the app. That is the link to the app. And yeah. So I want to give a special shout out to our gold sponsor, Amazon, for making this all possible and donating $1,500 and a bunch of resources like mentors and doing workshops for us. A big shout out also goes to our silver sponsors, which include NetApp, Balsamic, Nexus Bytes, and Postman. And our bronze sponsors are Dash Cloud, Sticker Mule, Fluid Stack, Wolfram Language, Replit, Ikaru, KT Byte, and GMC. Special thanks to our wonderful partners for making this all possible, which include a number of hackathons, the Storm Gears, FRC team, North South Foundation, UpNext, Inside Developers, and Boston Tech Mobs. Of course, Hestia Academy as well.
And so I'd like to bring this closing ceremony to a conclusion by, again, as I did in the opening ceremony, by thanking you. So if you are a participant who's watching this right now, I'd really like to thank you for all that you have done. You've used the past 2 days to code your amazing projects. And I really want to stress that the judges had a very hard time of selecting the top projects. We'll release these results on DevPost, but I really want to stress that even if you have not won, this does not mean that your project was not good or that you have no potential in computer science. Over this past weekend, we've tried to establish that anyone can code, right? Anyone can come to our workshops, learn something new, possibly apply that. Anyone can get the help through our sponsors and utilize all of these resources. So I really want to make sure that you have learned something new this weekend and that you have really enjoyed this hackathon, whether or not you have actually won. So with that, I'd like to thank you all so much for coming. See us next year, and goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye all
you.
from Hack3.
Bye.
Thank you.